Welcome to a van life. Ready?
Yeah.
Road trip? Lunch?
Yeah.
Shoelaces? And we'll come back. In the rain and the snow. Nothing else to do today.
It takes 45 minutes.
45 minutes. One way.
Wait, how much does the SD card last?
An hour?
An hour?
We better just save it for good stuff, huh?
Just to drive.
Just the drive?
Yeah.
Only the drive? That's all we're going to record is the drive? We got to save it for when we get there.
Fine.
Look, they have their own pond. Their own creek pond over there.
Oh.
Look at all that space, dude. What do you think about all this space?
I like it. Oh, look at that red one.
Whoa, it's beautiful houses. Got themselves a little subdivision over here with some nice neighbors. Country living, bud. Smell that?
It already smells good from outside of the
Doesn't it smell
building.
good? Look, there's the special. Pulled pork special. Let's go find some food, dude. How are ya? Good. Chicken.
French
pork,
fries.
French fries. Corn dogs. Got corn dogs. Hot dogs.
Corn dogs.
What do you think, bud? Look at all this jerky over there. Here. We're gonna get some corn dogs to go. Take that first one. Take that first one.
We're gonna share.
Then we're gonna get a double pepper popper burger with stuff on it. Take the next one. And then Cru's gonna get a double bacon cheese.
Yeah, I can get a lot.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
So first, that's my second favorite color, green. And then I like root beer, and then blue straw.
Perfect. Come on down. Look at that.
It's mine.
How's this guy gonna eat all that? Look at that thing.
Hot.
Dude, that looks so good.
How do I take that out? Because this is spicy.
Oh, you push the burger down. What do you do with a burger? A good burger like this, use one hand, smoosh it down, pull that out. You gotta smoosh it all down so you can get it in your face. Fry sauce. plate. Good luck. Oh my God. He'll get it. Thank you so much.
Yep, let me know if
Thanks
you
a
need
lot.
anything else.
For a little ranch and the macaroni salad. Macaroni salads. That's all good. Thank you. Dude, that looks so good. Oh man, this thing looks awesome. The Popper Burger. Got Popper juice on it. How is it, crew? So good? Oh man, it looks so good. Thank you so much. Look, homemade macaroni salad.
Can I have some onion rings?
Of course. Here.
Oh, it's splattered on me.
Splatter.
These are huge. Oh, that's hot.
Mmm. Going in, bud. Going in. This looks so good.
This is a double bacon cheeseburger, right?
Mm-hmm.
Man.
Mmm. Oh, it's a mess. Whoa. That's good, huh?
That's good.
Give me out.
But we have a magic bullet, and that's it.
Clean Plate Club. Whoa, you gonna be on the Clean Plate Club? I don't know. You cannot finish that. It's a lot of burger.
So I put root beer, hint of coconut, and hint of vanilla.
Pretty good? It tastes more like a 5-gallon bucket of vanilla than a hint.
I put more vanilla than coconut.
What do you think about Papa J's? Oh my God, real consideration.
Probably the best burgers I've ever had.
Really?
And onion rings.
Nice. I agree.
Can't say.
The shoelace place. Told ya.
Dirt. That one. This one.
Whoa, dude. What are you doing? You start to
Wait a minute. That,
put this on. What in the hell is this?
That's how I do laces.
This is not how anyone does laces. Yeah, you gotta start on the bottom. Look. Start down here. That's how I do laces. You're gonna tie it at your toe?
Yeah.
You're crazy. Cinch it up. Get your foot in there, cinch it up, see what you think. How's that for shoelaces?
Oh, nice.
Give me the other one.
These are Phoenixes.
How's that? Walk around. Just gonna make it. Go fast! Faster, faster! Still tied?
Yeah.
It's good shoelaces, buddy. Here we go.
Out of my breath.
I would say that was a successful outing, bud. You and me?